Mechanical fitters repair, make and install parts for many different kinds of industrial machinery. But in this factory, they service boilers and make parts for equipment used in the mining industry. Safety is important at all times. The mechanical fitters do routine inspection and maintenance. They do an annual inspection and a 3-yearly statutory inspection and overhaul on this coal-fired boiler, which produces steam to cure or treat rubber parts for mining equipment. They also respond to any boiler problems during daily production, often with the assistance of a mechanical engineer. This gauge shows the pressure at which the water is pumped into the boiler. If the water level is too high, they release it by opening the blow-down valve. If the boiler needs a service, mechanical fitters would replace or repair parts and check the level of gear oil on the gearbox. Here in the tool room, the mechanical fitters also have fitting and turning skills. The main tools of their trade are the milling machine and the turning machine, and their work is known as machining or tooling. One of the finished products they make is this mold. It begins here as a flat steel sheet. Following a drawing, the fitter measures where the grooves or holes must go. Then, the dividing plates are measured and cut on the milling machine. Chamfers, which make angles inside the mold, would be measured and cut on the milling machine. This mechanical fitter, using the turning machine, turns this raw metal disc to the correct size. The finished disc, called a shock, is polished and has grooves cut into it so that a rubber lining will stick to it. It is used on huge mining drills, absorbing the vibrations or shock from the drill and rock, preventing damage to the machinery. The work of mechanical fitters is hands-on. Minimum entry is a grade 10 with maths and science and a technical diploma followed by an apprenticeship, which involves learning the finer art of the job. Many companies that employ mechanical fitters have branches all over the world, as their services to the mining and construction industries are high in demand.